I'm Joey Higgins with Prater's Athletic Flooring, and this is how it's done. In this edition of How It's Done, we're going to be looking at basic logo application using the Hinge method. The Hinge method is the easiest and most precise way to apply stencils for the painting of logos and lettering to a gym floor.
Start by placing the stencil where you want it on the floor. Make sure to measure from the cut image and not from the edge of the mask, as the mask may not always be square. Mark the stencil's placement with tape. Using 3 to 4 pieces of tape, make a hinge close to the center of the stencil. Now fold 1/2 of the stencil back over itself using the hinge. Remove the wax paper backing, exposing the adhesive, and use a razor knife to cut the backing off close to the hinge, being careful not to scar or scratch the floor. Carefully fold the stencil back over and place it on the floor, making sure it lines up with your tape marks. Use a squeegee to adhere the stencil in place. Remove the hinge and repeat the process on the other side. Now you are ready to remove the face paper and reveal the pre-cut stencil. Rolling the stencil with a tape machine will help to ensure a good bond and prevent bleeding. Paint the stencil with as many coats as needed for coverage. When the paint is dry, remove the stencil from the floor. The logo is now ready to abrade and finish.
From Chattanooga, Tennessee, I'm Joey Higgins with Prater's Athletic Flooring on the Big Ten Championship floor. And you've just seen how it's done.